In this video, we are going to be analysing WiSA. If you want your own stock analysed for it in the comments, we'll get round to it when we can. Now, it's up around 60% as we're recording this video. Why is this? So it just signs a letter of intent to acquire. So again, big catalyst. So on the initial release, again, that's not something I'm going to really trade because again, it can be uncertain. Sometimes they take it as good news. Well, obviously, it's always taken as good news, but is it an overreaction from the open? Because obviously right now we're up 60%. Is that of an overreaction? Potentially. So trading the initial release, I don't like to do. What I instead do is wait for it to come into the standard deviation channels. Again, if this happens near enough instantly, if it happens in the first kind of 15 minutes of the market open, then obviously I'm waiting for it to kind of calm down a bit before going to these levels. But we can see they haven't hit them in the first 15, so we should be good. So our closest first deviation is at $7.60, and after that, our next resistance is $17.30. Now, you're going to see one big problem here is we're currently sitting at 250. How are we hitting those numbers? And again, potentially we may not hit those numbers, but those are what I'm paying attention to as a resistance. But what we can see, obviously, on this stock, and why I probably won't touch it, is just look at how the stock has been trending. It's gone from a $72 6-month high down to $1, a 1-year high of 87, and again down to that dollar. So whenever I see something like this, again, I'm always going to be a lot more cautious when trading something like this, because again, if it's gone down that much, it can continue to fall. So again, I would be kind of risk adverse trying to trade this. Trying to catch it long is not something I'm going to try and do. The only way I'm looking to trade this is if we can pop all the way up to around 760. Then again, I will try and jump on this long-term trend by catching this short. So 760, 1730, and if we went higher, we have 1680. Now, on WiSA, we do have some options. So again, it does mean that we can actually swing trade this short, because obviously then we can hedge that risk. I'm never really going to be trading something short overnight unless it has options, because again, we want that defined risk. Be stupid to trade anything undefined. Or unrisk managed at least. So those are the deviation levels that we can be paying attention to. Obviously, they are very far from now. So maybe if you're potentially looking to day trade it, coming into today, maybe tomorrow, what are the key levels are we paying attention to? So we can hang on to a 5-day, 5-minute, and then we get resistances at 275, 310, and 350. So again, if you're looking at this maybe today, tomorrow, those would be the levels I'm paying attention to. If you're looking to kind of try and catch those bigger moves, and again, like where I'm personally going to start paying attention to it is not until we hit these kind of 6-month levels at least. So there may be trading opportunities at that 350 and below, but again, to me, it's not worth the risk to reward. I can wait until it kind of comes closer to that kind of $8 level and then look to trade that short bias as we come into that. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe? Let me know if you're trading it. And if you want any stock analysed, again, throw that in the comments. And if you did enjoy, why not check out this video here.